Rushmores are very pleased to offer this Toyota. It's a CHR self-charging hybrid. It's a 1.8 petrol and electric, and it's the XL model. Now the thing that stands out to me on this car is it does have full leather trim. It's a one private owner car. It does come with full Toyota service history, meaning you'll get the remainder of a 5-year warranty, which will expire in 2022, towards the end of 2022. The idea of the video today is just give you a real close and up close and personal, so you can sort of introduce yourself to the car from the comfort of your own home. We understand viewings are very difficult at the moment. We obviously are happy to do a viewing, but we do need to make an appointment. But at the same time, you can buy online and get the car delivered to yourself, and we can also arrange finance as well. As I say, it is a one private owner car and it is in very, very good condition. All the alloy wheels are uncurved, there's no scuffs, anything untoward on the bodywork. It generally is a very, very clean example. So it's nice with the black alloys, and we just take it down the side of the car there. You've got electric folding door mirrors. It's keyless go, keyless entry. You've got your privacy glass as well. And you've got front and rear parking sensors. And this one you do have a rear camera as well. So if you are looking for finance, we'd be more than happy to arrange finance for you. You don't need a deposit. We can do a hire purchase or a PCP for you. The car will be fully prepared for sale, so we'll include a full service and a brand new MOT, which we'll do at point of sale for you. And if you have a part exchange, we'll be more than happy to take a part exchange from you. So we've just done a quick walk round of the video of the car there, sorry. So it is offered in excellent condition, as you see. It certainly won't disappoint. You can have this car delivered onto your driveway, and as I say, you'll be full of joy. There's nothing on this car that would put you off buying it. And then we'll just jump on the inside. So you've got the sort of brown insert there, retro-y feel onto the door pockets. Top of the dash is all stitched, airbags, obviously multiple airbags all the way around. You do have full leather trim, very rare on these cars. Normally they have half leather. And then you've got your matte gloss surround there, and you've got some carbon effect on the dash as well. Your service issue there, which we'll touch on at the end. As I say, this is a non-smoking car, non-pet car, so there's no odours, nasty odours that shouldn't be there. No rips, no burns. And we're going to the inside, so you've got Isofix on the rear seats. 40-60 split, obviously. And the same multiple airbags all the way around. So you've got your 5-year remaining warranty, as I mentioned. 40-60 split. There you got your parcel shelving plate. You've got rubber mats all the way around the car, including the footwells as well. So it's a nice extra to have. So it's all clean and tidy underneath. And there's a bit of storage, etc. And then we have got your rear camera. And then we just jump around the other side here. As I say, you've got your mats on the footwell, nice thick rubber mats protecting the floors, and 3 inertia belts across the back. So as I mentioned previously, you've got electric folding door mirrors, you've got obviously electric windows, child locks on the doors and on the windows. You've got self-parking, you've got your headlamp levelling, you've got your fuel release, and you've got auto headlight main beam, electric lumbar support. As I say, really, really well looked after and cared for. Let's jump in. So it's keyless go and keyless entry, so we don't need to put a key in. We just start the ignition up and off we go. So mileage on the car currently is 30,000. Let me just turn the volume down somehow. There we go. Mileage 30,824. The mileage may change slightly. You've got a multi-function steering wheel, so you've got lane assist, you've got your cruise control, you've got your lane collision as well. You've got your trip computer buttons, volume control, and then you've got your Bluetooth phone. Now this one you do have DAB radio. Let's just go on to the music side of things. AM, FM, DAB, auxiliary point, and Bluetooth. So you've got Bluetooth music, so if you've got music on your phone, you can just connect it via the waves, as it were, via the Bluetooth without a cable, and then your music will play across to the centre. You've got a full satellite navigation, big wide screen there, very simple to use, postcode entry, and off you go. You've got settings on there as well, so I'm not going to go too into detail, but you can change your light locking settings, navigation, traffic, and you've got Toyota online as well. And then you've got your car there, so it tells you your average miles to gallon there, so you can see it does do a very high miles to gallon when you're in electric motor, so it is a self-charging hybrid, so it does flicker between the two, petrol and the electric. Obviously for the harder driving, it then switches into the petrol. You've got heated front seats for driver and passenger. You've got unique driver and passenger temperature as well. In the centre there, you've got a drinks holder. You've got your matte dash finishes all the way down here. You've got your electric handbrake as well, and obviously you've got your automatic. You've got auto lights and auto wipers as well. We've got both sets of keys as well, which is a good thing. Obviously you've got some sweets in there which I can assure you won't be there by the time the car is sold. And then you've got your EV button, your automatic hold, and then your traction control. Now let's have a look at some paperwork. So it's a one owner car from you, so it has no former keepers on the V5, so you would be the second owner. We've got the full service history here, so it's been serviced 3 times at Toyota, one at 9859, one at 197, and one at 29203. Although it was obviously not many miles ago, we will obviously service the car and get it prepped up for you within line with Toyota, so you'll have the remainder of the warranty, and its manufacturer's warranty will expire on the 30th of the 9th 2022. And then we've also got the service history sort of paperwork from Toyota that's come out of it as well, so all your visual and your safety checks, etc. So all your documentation's in place. As I say, it's a one private owner, well cared for car, all the necessary paperwork. You've got your owner's manual as well. Let me just have a look, see if I can, and we've got your owner's manual also, which is in here. And then you've got your locking wheel nut key also in the glove box. Also, what I should have showed you as well while I'm on the while I'm inside the car is we'll just put it into reverse, and then you can see you've got a wide camera there for your reversing camera. You do also have warning lights that come up on the dash, so if a car pulls up next to you, it would tell you there's an obstacle in your way. Sorry. So it has got the latest tech on this one. So just to recap, it's a 1.8 XL hybrid, so it's a petrol and electric, self-charging, one owner from you, privately owned, full Toyota service history, Toyota manufacturer's warranty till September 22. We can arrange all your financing, we don't need a deposit, we can spread the payments up to 60 months on hire purchase, or a 48 month on a PCP deal. We'd be more than happy to take a part exchange as well. If you have a part exchange, if you want to get the car delivered anywhere in the UK, this can be arranged for you. And we'll just finish off going around the car. So all the necessary paperwork, both sets of keys. There is nothing on this car that would put you off buying a car. There isn't even an alloy that's curved. All the tyres are in excellent order, and as I say, it will come with a new 12-month MOT. And you've got the privacy glass as well. It's a very pretty looking car this, with a light grey silver, and then you've got the dark interior. But I'll leave it with you now. So the number you need to call is 0208 314 1020. Give the boys at the office a call through. They'll be more than happy to assist with your purchase, whether it be coming down to have a look at a test drive, or whether it be getting the car delivered to yourself. And we can also do the distance finance as well, so there's no need to actually come down and show them if you're looking for finance. But I think enough from me now. Sort of get in touch today and look at this fine, beautiful vehicle. Thanks very much.